Good morning and welcome to ITV1. Now with all the updates on the situation in Manchester, it's Daybreak with Matt Barbett and Kate Garraway.
Good morning. A major fire has torn through a suburb of Manchester after a passenger jet crashed into the street. Vehicles and buildings caught fire after an explosion at 4:15 this morning. Manchester City have postponed their Champions League game against Ajax in light of the events. Police remain uncertain of what has happened, but have said that the initial threat has been dealt with.
At least 5 people have died and 37 have been injured as the inferno continues to engulf the area. Roads into Manchester are closed as the emergency services battle on into the daylight hours. And also today, Obama fights Romney tonight for his second term as president.